welcome to Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. So today we're going to see one of the most requested video, that is how to cook vegetable noodles in electric kettle. We're going to do it with fresh vegetables, and most important, we are also going to see how to clean an electric kettle after cooking. So most of them who feel like I'm doing some tricks, like I'm not showing the bottom of the kettle, this time I'm going to show you the complete cooking process, and also I will show you the bottom of the kettle, and I'm also going to show you how to cook in your electric kettle without getting your food burnt. So watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, come on, hit the subscribe button and let's go. So here we have our kettle. So in this we will add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Don't turn on the kettle now. First we'll add the oil and nicely spread it all over the bottom of the kettle. You can use a brush or you can even use your finger and spread it. So now we'll add the required amount of water. So it must be mentioned behind the pack of your noodles. So add about half a cup more than that. Means if you usually add 1 cup of water, add another half cup of water to it. And now we will turn on the kettle. So it will start boiling, just keep it open, let it start boiling. Now we will add our noodles. Just when it starts bubbling, we need to add our noodles. Just break the noodles into 4 parts and add it, so it will be easy to cook and remove also. So you can use any noodles, Maggi or Yippee or whichever you like. And we let the water boil until it starts bubbling like this. Now we will turn off the kettle. That's it. We'll just cover and keep it for about 5 minutes. Not more than that, 5 minutes will do. Now after 5 minutes, let's check. See, our noodles is perfectly done and soft. So now we will drain the water. If you don't have a strainer like this, you can just simply close the kettle and pour the water out. But this is just easy for me, I do it this way. We'll drain the remaining noodles also. See, our kettle is completely neat and clean inside. So now we'll add the noodles masala. Don't be afraid to add it like this, because this masala that we get with the noodles is already roasted masala. So you can just simply add it and mix it. No worries. It tastes much better than adding it into the water. So now we'll cook our fresh vegetables. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of oil. And just like before, we'll brush it inside. Don't turn on your kettle now. Just brush it. And we'll add all the vegetables. And we'll pour about half cup of water. Now we will switch on the kettle and let it start boiling. You have to boil it till the water completely evaporates. Keep stirring every now and then. Add some salt for the vegetables. Just keep on stirring. So now the water is completely evaporated, and turn off the kettle now. The bottom of the kettle will be still hot, so keep on stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now see, our vegetables are perfectly cooked. Let me show you. See, our carrot is nicely cooked. Can you see it? And even the onions, they are nice golden brown in color. And now let me show you the bottom of our kettle. Can you see it? There is absolutely no burns. See? Okay, so we'll add the vegetables to our noodles. And now our vegetable noodles is perfect and ready to eat. So next, let's see the cleaning part. Shall we see how to wash our kettle? Okay then. Pour some water into the kettle and we'll add 2 to 3 drops of dishwash liquid. It's better to use liquid dishwash soap, so nicely rinse it with your hand. Now we'll use a scrub. Just scrub it well inside because we have poured oil, right? So we'll just scrub it nicely. And now we'll discard this water and again scrub it inside. Now we'll add fresh water again. We will repeat this 3 to 4 times. You can also directly take the water from the tap into the kettle and do the same process, but this is for people who find it difficult to wash it in their washrooms. So you can just wash it on your table like this very easily. Okay, this is the 4th time. That's it, it's done. See, our kettle is squeaky clean now. So now our noodles is perfectly done and our kettle is easily cleaned. So now our cooking and cleaning all is done. And now it's time to enjoy our healthy veg noodles. So if you liked the video and found it helpful, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.